Eye diseases. Introduction. The function of the lens of the eye is to focus light on the retina. Select true or false. Correct. Seth has noticed that his vision is blurry and he has trouble seeing at night. At times, headlights, lamps, or sunlight also seem too bright to him. Should Seth contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Blurry vision, poor night vision, and sensitivity to light may be a sign of a problem. Seth should contact his healthcare provider. Is the most common type of cataract caused by eye injury? Select yes or no. Correct. Cataracts are mostly associated with aging, but they can also happen after an eye injury. The purpose of surgery to treat glaucoma is to create enough places for fluid to drain. Select true or false. Correct. Laser and non-laser surgery creates more places for fluid to drain so fluid does not build up and cause pressure. Is pink eye always caused by a bacterial infection? Select yes or no. Correct. There are many causes of pink eye. Pink eye may be caused by allergies, bacterial or viral infections, or substances that cause irritation. Contact lens products, eye drops, or eye ointments may also cause pink eye. Retinal disorders can affect the macula, the center of the retina. Select true or false. Correct. The macula provides the sharp central vision needed for reading, driving, and seeing fine detail. Retinal disorders can affect this vital tissue. Thank you for using Explain.